welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to 3D print an RC hovercraft. Let's go! Okay, this video contains designing, 3D printing, building a 3D printed hovercraft. And yes, let's start. I first went to Blender, imported a cube and started basically from scratch. To Cura and opened the file. I then scaled it the right size. Oops. Oh crap. Like that. Fixed the settings. And I saved to my removable drive. After the 15-hour print, the hovercraft looked like this. And yes, it is far from perfect, but it didn't need to be perfect either. The next thing I did was to start gluing the electronics to the boat. To glue the electronics was pretty easy. It only took like 20 minutes. I then continued with gluing the styrofoam on the underplate of the boat. Warning, I needed a lot of glue. Sure that the boat isn't in frame. Well, I have to put the blame on something. So I have to say that the cable to the hot glue gun was too short. At this point the camera battery died. But luckily the only thing left was to glue that properly. That's all for today's video. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe. It doesn't take many seconds. Other than that, I just want to say a test video about this hovercraft will come next week, so please stay tuned. See ya. Bye bye.